Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a powerful feature called freeze panes. Let's get started. Let's work with a sample dataset to understand the basic functionality of freeze panes. Here's a dataset of sales amounts per month for each salesperson over a span of 2 years. To begin, I'll demonstrate how to access freeze panes in Excel. Open your Excel spreadsheet and navigate to the View tab on the ribbon, where you'll find the Freeze Panes drop-down within the window group. Suppose you'd like to freeze the top row for persistent visibility of headers while scrolling. Click on cell B2, just below the desired row, proceed to View, then Freeze Panes, and choose Freeze Top Row. Now, as you scroll down, notice how the top row stays fixed, making it easy to understand which column represents each aspect of the salesperson's performance. Now that we've learned freezing panes, let's talk about how to unfreeze them. Unfreezing panes is just as simple as freezing them. If you currently have frozen panes and want to revert to the normal scrolling state, here's what you need to do. Click on any cell within the frozen area, go to the View tab, click on Freeze Panes, and select Unfreeze Panes. By unfreezing panes, you will return to the default Excel scrolling behavior. This flexibility allows you to adapt your view as needed, providing a seamless experience as you work with your data. Freeze panes is not limited to just freezing rows, you can also freeze columns. Let's say you want to freeze the first column to keep track of salespersons' names. Click on cell B2 again, the cell just to the right of the column you want to freeze. Go to View, Freeze Panes, and select Freeze First Column. Now, as you scroll horizontally, the first column remains visible, helping you identify the salesperson's names at all times. But what if you want to freeze both the top row and the first column simultaneously? Click on cell B2, the cell where the row and column intersect, go to View, Freeze Panes, and select Freeze Panes. Now, as you scroll both vertically and horizontally, the top row and the first column remain frozen, providing a clear reference point for your data. It's time to master freezing panes. What if I come across a dataset where I can observe regional managers and their sales totals listed along with salesperson's bonuses? I'd like to scroll both vertically and horizontally, and I don't want the managers section, top 5 rows, and the bonus column, column B, to scroll. Instead, I want those specific rows and columns to be frozen. Can I just freeze the top 5 rows and 2 columns on the left? Allow me to demonstrate how to manage this. Click on cell C7, where the row and column intersect, go to View, and select Freeze Panes. Let's check if it worked. Yes, I successfully froze both rows and columns. And there you have it. Freeze Panes is a fantastic feature in Excel that allows you to keep your headers and important information visible, no matter how large your spreadsheet is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, keep organizing and excelling.